Hands are often overlooked in the skincare routine, but they show signs of aging just as quickly as the face. So when I came across the Clarins Super Restorative Hand Cream, I was intrigued. This product promises to target dark spots and wrinkles while providing immediate and long-term benefits for more youthful-looking hands. Let's dive in and see how it performs. Right out of the gate, the Clarins Super Restorative Hand Cream has a pretty straightforward purpose: combat the visible effects of aging on your hands. This isn't just about softening dry skin. It's designed to reduce age spots and wrinkles, which is a unique and much-needed feature in a hand cream. The formula is packed with Shea and Mango Butters, known for their nourishing and hydrating properties, making it feel rich without being greasy. Upon first use, the cream immediately absorbs into the skin, leaving my hands feeling soft and smooth but not oily. I've been testing it over a few weeks now, and it's been a noticeable addition to my routine. It didn't just make my hands feel hydrated, it visibly improved the texture, especially around the knuckles, where aging signs often appear first. The scent is subtle and not overpowering, which is a big plus for those sensitive to fragrances. One thing I truly appreciate about the formula is its plant-based ingredients. Clarins is known for creating products that are both effective and gentle. So this hand cream's natural plant-based composition definitely gives me confidence that I'm using something good for my skin. And while it doesn't promise instant miracles, over time, I've seen the dark spots I've been battling for years start to fade a bit. It's definitely not a quick fix, but after consistent use, I can say the long-term benefits are real. Now, as with any product, there are a couple of things to consider. While the cream does a great job at moisturizing, the price point might be a little steep for some. At 100 milliliters, it's a good size, but if you're on a tight budget, it's worth considering whether the benefits justify the investment. However, for those looking to treat themselves to something luxurious and effective, this could be exactly what your hands need. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's an investment in both quality and skincare longevity. The performance is there, and the ingredients are top-notch. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are other hydrating hand creams out there that might not specifically target aging, but still deliver excellent results for a fraction of the price. If you're looking for something that targets specific concerns like age spots and wrinkles though, Clarins hits the mark. It's not just a moisturizer, it's a treatment. When compared to other anti-aging hand creams, this one stands out for its ingredient list, gentle texture, and gradual, visible results. In terms of packaging, it's simple, functional, and travel-friendly, so you're not left with anything bulky or hard to squeeze out. The cream is easy to apply, and a little goes a long way, making it a decent value in the long run. I haven't had any direct experience with Clarins' customer support, but based on the brand's reputation, they're known for being responsive and helpful. You can rest assured that if you ever had an issue, they'd be quick to resolve it. In conclusion, the Clarins Super Restorative Hand Cream is a solid pick for those looking to fight aging on their hands. It offers noticeable results with long-term use and is formulated with quality, plant-based ingredients. If you can justify the price, it's definitely worth trying, especially if you've been struggling with dryness, dark spots, or wrinkles on your hands. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.